Hey, I'm Top 5 Trey, and today we're breaking down the Sony FX30, a cinema camera that brings full-frame vibes to an APS-C body for under $2,000. It's compact, powerful, and built for creators ready to level up from mirrorless to cinema-grade footage. But does it live up to the hype? Let's dive in and find out. All the links are in the description below. Scroll down and check them out. Design and build. The FX30 shares the same body as the FX3, meaning it's compact, rugged, and full of pro touches. We're talking built-in mounting threads, a fan for active cooling, and no record time limits. This thing is built for real production work. At just 1.2 pounds, it's lightweight enough for gimbals and run-and-gun shooting, but strong enough to anchor a full rig. Sensor and image quality. Under the hood, the FX30 packs a 26 megapixel APS-C back-illuminated Exmor-R sensor. And the footage? Chef's kiss. You get 4K up to 120 frames per second, 10-bit 422 internal recording, and support for S-Cinetone, S-Log3, and Cine EI modes. It delivers that cinematic look with rich dynamic range, buttery color science, and razor-sharp detail. Perfect for YouTube, indie films, commercials, and even client work. Autofocus and performance. Sony's real-time IAF and subject tracking are next level here. Whether you're shooting people, animals, or fast-moving subjects, this camera locks on and doesn't let go. Low light? No problem. With dual base ISO 800/2500, the FX30 is a beast even when the lights go down. Lenses and compatibility. You're working with the Sony E-mount, which means massive flexibility. Pair it with G-Master lenses, budget zooms, or third-party glass. You've got options. The kit with the 18 to 105mm f4 OSSPZ lens is a solid all-rounder with power zoom, great for video work. Audio and pro features. It includes dual XLR inputs via the hot shoe with the XLR handle, sold separately, plus timecode sync, customizable buttons, tally lights, and pro-level waveforms, and LUT previews. It's basically a cinema camera disguised as a YouTuber's dream rig. Battery life and media. The NPFZ100 battery gives you strong life. And for media, you've got dual card slots that support CF Express Type A and SD UHS-2. Super fast, super reliable. Final verdict. So, is the Sony FX30 worth it? If you're a serious content creator, filmmaker, or even a YouTube pro who wants cinema quality in a compact, affordable body, absolutely. The image quality, autofocus, pro tools, and compact design make it one of the best bang-for-buck cinema cameras on the market. If you're ready to level up your visuals, check out the links below. And if this helped, hit that like button and subscribe. We're dropping gear reviews every week. I'm Top 5 Trey, and I'll catch you in the next one. Peace out. And trust me, out of your top 5 decisions, subscribing will definitely be one of them.